Hey everyone, it's Dan at Nate Wade Subaru. Today I'm going to show you how to change the clock in your Outback or Legacy. This applies to 2018 and later models. They kind of move that feature, so it's a little hard to find, so I'm going to just show you how to do that, and you can change the time on your car if you need to. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is come into your settings and see how your clock is adjusting. So if I tap your settings button right here and then go into vehicle settings, you can see right here that my clock is set to manual right now. So that means that I'm going to make the adjustments. If you put it on auto, depending on what model of car you have, if you have navigation in the car, auto will use the navigation to adjust your time based on your location. So if you drive across the country, it will take that into account. Daylight savings time, it will adjust for that automatically. And so if you have navigation, that's a great thing to do. Also, if you don't have navigation, what that does is it will use the time off of your phone to adjust your clock. So when you have your phone paired and hooked up to the car, it's going to go off of the time on your phone. But right now I'm going to show you how to change it manually. So I go ahead and make sure I'm on manual, and then I'm going to look at this screen over here on the steering wheel. So let's look over there real quick. So on your steering wheel here, if you look down to the bottom left, you're going to see a couple arrows as well as this I set button. Okay, so as I pull the up arrow towards me, you're going to see all these screens, and we're looking for this one. Pull and hold I set switch for menu. So the I set switch is the middle button here. So when I pull the middle button and hold it, and it's going to pop me into a menu. You're going to see the first thing in here says clock. So if I pull the middle button again to select, it will let me adjust time. So I pull the middle button one more time. And in here, I can use the up or the down arrows to change the hour. So say I want to do 3:40. I'm going to use the up arrow to get 40, hit the middle button to select, and it will say setting complete. And then it will just go back to adjust time. If I pull and hold the middle button again, after a few seconds, it's going to pop me back out here, and we'll be back to our main screen. Okay, so hopefully that helps. You've got the right time on the clock, and you're good to go. If you'd like to watch any other videos, I'll put a link here so that you can watch some of our other how-to tutorials and learn more about your Subaru. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you soon.